Why do our Keraflex mortars come in 44-pound bags instead of the traditional 50-pound sizes? Keraflex mortars are built differently. They have an extra smooth consistency that makes them easy to mix, trowel, and handle on the job site. They also feature high transfer technology, which means superior wetting for great coverage, along with non-sag and non-slump performance. This is perfect for today's large format and heavy tile or stone on both floors and walls. So how do we achieve that performance? By using finer sand and special micro ingredients, together they improve workability and actually give you a little more volume and coverage than traditional polymer-modified mortars do. Here's the interesting part. Those smaller particles take up more space. Think about it like this. 50 pounds of dense sand is compact, but 50 pounds of feathers takes up a lot more room. Same weight, very different volume. That's why Keraflex comes in a 44-pound bag. It fits a standard size, mixes in a 5-gallon pail, and it still gives you the coverage of a traditional 50-pound mortar. So, when you see 44 pounds on the bag, remember, you're not getting less mortar, you're getting more performance. For more information about our Keraflex family of mortars and for help in selecting the right one for your project, please call us at 800-992-6273 or visit our website.